G'day, thanks for stopping by today. I'm going to give a shout out today to some random people on my subscription list because I think they deserve it, and because there are so many wonderful people that I'm meeting here on YouTube and getting to know people in all sorts of ways, and not just through the hashtag IAmACreator community that I've been talking about a bit of late, but also just general droners and other people that I've met along the way. So today I'm going to have a look at the droners and see what they have to offer us right at this minute. We'll go straight to my subscribers and see what they have to look at today. So here we are on my subscribers video page. These are the latest videos that my subscribers have uploaded. So we're going to check out some of the droners amongst my subscriber people. There are quite a bunch of live streamers happening right at this moment, which is 9:05 on the 25th of April. We've got Halos and Heathens, Jaded Diva, Verdict Squad, The Laid Back Homemaker, and Bossman Uncovered, all doing live streams at the moment. If you missed them by the time you've actually watched this video, I'm sure they would love you to go out and check their channel and offer them some support. Perhaps hit that big red subscriber button so that you'll be able to see future live streams and be part of theirs. But we're here to look at droners today, so let's check out the first droner that appears on my subscriber list at this very moment. And the first one looks to be Huddersfield Outdoors. So we're going to go check out this video and see what he's got to tell us. And it says Hepworth Holmfirth 4K drone. Okay, that looks interesting view. Nice weather. Beautiful. Is it a 360 degree? It's not a 360 video. I thought maybe I could scroll around. He's just going to do a 360 spin by the looks of it. A nice slow one. So, yep, beautiful little town surrounded by hills. Lovely bit of green. We'll scroll a bit further along. And the trees look like it's about to come back to spring, maybe, in the northern hemisphere. So, wow, amazing green field, plenty of water there, not like the droughts we're having in Townsville. So if you like that drone footage, go check out Huddersfield Outdoors. Let's go back and have a look at another drone video. This time we're going to move on down. Oh look, we've even got more live streams now. But we'll scroll on down looking for another drone video, and this time it's Konstantinos Vasilidis. Hopefully I got your name right there, Konstantinos. Check out this video, guys. And oh, there's ads on there. You know what that tells us, don't you? He's got over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of view time. Let's get rid of that ad though. Well done to you, Konstantinos, for hitting that. And check it out. Look, he's found this, I don't know what you call that. It's a, well, for want of a better name, we could call it a car park, but I guess it's a lookout type area. Looks like he's got a castle there and there's a statue. Lovely little spot, and another beautiful day for flying drones. So if you haven't checked out his channel yet, you know what to do. It'll be down in the description along with all the other droners that I mentioned in this video today. Wow. Love that little bit of a castle there. And he's coming back down to check it out up nice and close. Anyway, thank you, Konstantinos. Let's go back and have a look at another drone video. Moving right along. Look, we've got quite a lot of people uploaded today. Chaotic World, Outside with Jack Summers, Billy's Family, and so on and so forth. Here looks like another drone video. Are drones. Let's click on that and see what he's got to tell us, to show us. Looks like it's a Mavic Air, judging by the description. And he's up good and high. I've already watched part of this video. I'm going to go back and show you some of the bits at the beginning. If I can go back there, whoops, that's his intro. We don't want to see that necessarily, unless you want to go see his web page. Beautiful swimming pool, look at that. And you just want to dive in. Does look good. Couple of people down the shallow end. It's always good to get these downward shots straight down. I do like those. And there's more people over here. It looks like there's a barbecue or a party or something going on there. Cool. Let's have a look. And this is back to where we were at the beginning. So go show our drone some love if you like his stuff. Another droner you could become a supporter of. Okay, we're not going to do drones forever and a day here, but I will do 2 more. Let's have a look for another one. So if we scroll along these people, as you can see, I support all sorts of different people. Okay, drones and RC flights. And it's Horn Tower, and a DJ Maverick Air took the footage from this one. So look at that. Right out in the middle of nowhere by the looks of it. I think they call these buildings follies when they're just a bit of nonsense building stuck in the middle of nowhere on some lord or lady's property back in the day for all sorts of weird reasons. If you look down in the description here, Horn's Tower, set in the magnificent grounds of the Park of Arundel Castle, was built by Francis Horn to prove his ability to the 11th Duke of Norfolk. So it's just to prove that he could do it. Look at that. Amazing building. Be a good cubby house if you got kids, hey? Alright, let's go back, and I said we'll do one more. One more drone. Who's the next droner along that's got some drone footage for us? Ray Smith, not sure. Papa Texas, Nesterbug, and this one, Rick Law, looks like the next one. And if we check out this, what's he called it? The Ascent Aerial View at Roebling's Bridge, according to that little opening. Look at that building. Wow. Love this architectural stuff. Unique. Look at the shape of that building. There's not another one like that. Amazing. Thanks for sharing that with us, Rick. He's got his comments disabled, so you can't comment there, but you can certainly go and check out his stuff. What's it say? Aerial video of condominium complex on the Ohio River in Covington, Kentucky. And that was a nice short one. Well, so there you go. There's just a few droners amongst my many subscribers. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed or supported any of those people, then please go over and give them some love. And maybe leave a comment if you can, unlike Rick's, which has been disabled. But that's alright. Everybody gets to choose exactly how they want to run their YouTube channel. Anyway, I'm Aussie Mark. I don't know what's wrong with my voice today. Anyway, sun's shining, beautiful day here. It's a public holiday in Australia today. It's Anzac Day. For those of you who don't know, Anzac stands for Australian New Zealand Army Corps. And so the Australian and New Zealanders get remembered for the awful battle at Gallipoli in Turkey. And it's basically an Australian tradition to look back, to reflect, and to honour the men and women who lost their lives during all campaigns across the world, not just the Gallipoli one. I'm Aussie Mark. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. If I don't see you before the weekend, enjoy the rest of your week. Bye for now.